Welcome back. Now that you understand how to create content that people will find by keyword or hashtag, you can also post content to your company page. And you can do that by going to your profile tab, and you're going to see a link for your company. You're going to click that link. That's going to bring you to your company page, and you'll see the admin open up. So once you have it, you can then begin posting your content. And what you'll be doing, of course, is you will then be adding in your keywords. You'll also add in any hashtags that are going to be relevant. We'll now add in the hashtags, and we'll then tag in any individuals. Basically, what we want to do is we want to place in here searchable content that will be found in search. Now, if you already have an audience for the page, you can also bring in content suggestions. And LinkedIn will give you those content suggestions by going to this tab. We're then going to click View Content Suggestions. And basically what we can do then is we can share things onto our company page. And of course, we can optimize this post onto our page. And basically what we're doing is we're giving ourselves more opportunities for individuals to find our content and our posts in search, as long as we create searchable information such as keywords and hashtags. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.